into the first impressions portion of the video. So I hope y'all enjoyed that real quick packaging showcase and that real quick unboxing of the JLab Audio Epic Air Sport ANC truly wireless Bluetooth earbuds. Damn, that's a long ass name. Shorter name needed, y'all. Shorter name needed. But I hope y'all enjoyed the real quick packaging showcase and real quick unboxing of these earbuds. Now let's get into the first impressions portion of the video. And it is another thunderstormy day, so I am using some external lighting here. So let me know what y'all think. Now, in the interest of full disclosure, before we get into the first impressions, I do want to let everyone know this is another product that came into the channel for you guys, thanks in large part to the Amazon Vine program. And this is probably going to be the last Amazon Vine product that I cover in a while. Okay, so what does it mean when you're part of the Amazon Vine program? That means that Amazon sent these into the channel, and all I have to do is write up and publish my full written, honest review on Amazon, and then these are mine to keep. Alright, so just as with all of my other Amazon Vine videos, the full written review for these will be posted up on Amazon long before the video review is finished. Alright, so if you're the type of person that likes full written reviews that are nice and concise and to the point, y'all be sure to check out Amazon, because my full written review for these will be published on there long before the video review will be published on my YouTube channel. Just want to let everyone know that. And as with always, if this video piqued your interest, all the links to where y'all can pick this bad boy up at some really great prices will be available down below in the video description. So as always, if your interest is piqued, down below in the video description will be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. Also, if you enjoyed this video and you would like to see more content like this, and or you found this video helpful, please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up and hitting that subscribe button down below, and making sure that you click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when I publish new videos. That being said, this whole video here today was recorded using the rear-facing primary 12 megapixel camera on the Samsung Galaxy S7 Active in 720p resolution at 30 frames per second with no external audio hooked up. So please let me know what you think of the overall video quality, as well as what you think of the overall audio quality down below. As always, all your feedback is greatly appreciated. Just keep it respectful, please. Alright, so housekeeping done now. Let's go ahead and dive into my first impressions with these earbuds. Let's go. Alright, now first impressions of the overall look, y'all. I have to say these actually look really, really good. Okay, so JLab, you guys did a great job. I like the overall look of these. Now these are another air hook style, sports style earbud. Okay, so these are gonna hook behind your ears, and then this earbud is gonna go in your ear. Okay, and the air hook is supposed to add some extra support and some extra resistance, and you're also supposed to get a nice, secure and snug fit. And I gotta tell y'all, as with my other video with a similar style earbud, I am a really big fan of the air hook style earbuds. I feel as though it adds another level of security and snugness. Alright, so I'm kind of biased when it comes to these style of earbuds, but it is what it is. I just want to be upfront with y'all from the jump. So if I sound a little bit more hyped than usual, that's because I really am a big fan of these style of earbuds. Okay, just wanted to point that out. But the overall fit on these, or the overall look on these, my bad, we ain't even tried them on yet. Calm down. You see what I'm saying? Hyped already. Haven't even tried them on yet. See how hyped I am. But the overall look on these is really, really good in my opinion. I really like the look of the earbuds. I really like the look of the case. And y'all, JLab just won extra style points for integrating the charging cable into the case. So this is your charging cable, standard USB-A style charging cable. But they also incorporated wireless charging into the charging case as well. Yes, that's what I like to see. JLabs, y'all just want extra points for that. It is what it is. But the overall look of the buds and the case is really good in my overall opinion. Now, let's go ahead and try these on. I'm going to give y'all my overall first impressions of the fit and the feel, and then we're going to wrap this video up. Let me check out the marketing material so I know how to put these on. Okay? So let me just jump to the product page real quickly and pull up Shorty picture real fast. Yes. Okay, so here you go. This is the only product photo they have. So it hooks behind your ears, and then you want to put the earbud in your ear and slightly angle it upward. Alright? Just so I know how to put it on correctly. Okay. So let me attempt to put these on and then give y'all my first impressions of the overall fit and feel. Alright, let's go. So I think this is the left. So that goes in here. This hook behind my ear like that. And then this is supposed to... did I do it right? Don't think I did it right. Don't think I did it right. This goes in. No, wait a minute. Wait a minute. This goes in here like that. And then this hooks back here like this. Alright, and then that goes around my ear like that. Okay, yes, it's on. Alright, cool. So, it goes in exactly how it looks. So y'all make sure y'all put the earbud in first. Get a nice snug fit with the earbud. And then hook this behind your ears so it's got that extra support. So it's going to go in your ears like this. Okay? So let me put the right bud on now. So lifting it up. Putting the bud in first. Pull my ear out some. There we go. There we go. Got it. And then you twist it up. And then hook it back. And she feels like she's in there. Alright, she feels like she's in there snug. Let me twist it. Okay, yep. She's not coming out. Yep, she's in there. Alright. Alright, so got the Pixel 2 XL on deck here today. Let's take our profile shots and see what she looks like. So starting off, let me fire up the camera. Hit y'all with that front profile real quick. Oh wow. So like straight on. It sticks out a little bit, but you can barely tell. And let me hit the side profile real fast. Okay, here we go. Side profile. Boom. Alright, let me let these process. Front. Side. Oh wow. Okay. I like that. So check this out. Front profile right here. That looks really, really discreet. I can't complain. Right? Side profile right there. Yeah, I like that. And I do think I put them on correctly. Because I got a nice, snug, and solid fit. So that looks really, really good. Alright. So, real quick shake test. Now, in terms of the sound isolation, these sound pretty good. Now, I could still hear myself talk, but again, these is another one of those earbuds that I feel like once I start playing music, I really shouldn't be able to hear anything. But overall, first impressions of the fit, it seems really, really good. Now, it was a little bit of a struggle to get on and get situated. But I think after I get used to putting it on and taking it off and putting it on, that shouldn't be an issue. But now let me do a quick shake test. Okay. A little bit of movement, but not much. And it didn't really go anywhere. It just unseated a tiny little bit, but then the air hooks kind of kept it in place. So overall first impressions of the fit seem to be really, really good. And I kind of gave myself a headache there. Whew, I shook a little hard. But yeah, it definitely didn't move around too much. And I don't feel like it's going to come out of my ear. So overall fit seems to be really, really good. Okay, so that pretty much does it for this one, guys and gals. As always, I hope everyone has a great day. I hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in my next video. Oh, did I say it? Yeah, I did say it. The full review for these should be out in about 2 weeks from the posting of this video. I think I said that already. All right, we are out of here. Have a good one, everybody. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.